Nakwema. In Ojibwe, it means where paths connect, a fitting name for a trail whose origin is bringing together communities and dedicated caretakers to make this singular trailway a reality.
It's so important to me personally because this is what I want to do with my family. I want to take them on adventures. I want to visit everything that we live here for without having to load up a bunch of stuff in our car. I want to just be able to put the kickstand down on the bike, hop off, go take a swim in Lake Michigan, hop back on, and then keep the adventure going.
The Nakwema Trailway will span over 45 miles, joining Charlevoix and Traverse City. It will follow ancient travel routes, connecting some of Northwest Michigan's most pristine land and waterways. The loon lives here, the bald eagle, the white-tailed deer. People, too, will soon have active access to this land of beauty and bounty.
Forefront got involved with the trail project because we like to connect our communities and be able to get people out and about and being active. We're looking to find ways to give our members, give our neighbors, give our communities access to vibrant areas to enjoy the great outdoors. It's just a fantastic way for us to be able to get out and about and be healthy and be connected with others.
Local businesses like Forefront and Shorts are absolutely vital to the Nakwema Trailway project. They still understand that it's a quality of life amenity for their customers, and it provides community connectivity and really brings people together.
The Nakwema Trailway will do more than connect pathways. It will connect people to the land, joining them in a common conservation initiative, uniting them in an effort to provide healthy, active enjoyment of our scenic spaces.
I think what's so great about Forefront and Short's involvement in this project is their commitment to community first and foremost, and they see that this trail is doing just that, supporting communities and supporting the visitors who come to our regions. Without the support of local businesses and community leaders like Short's and Forefront, we wouldn't have the opportunity to make this trail come to life.
The Nakwema Trailway, where paths and people will connect for generations in the most beautiful ways.